everybody, I hope you're all doing well. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Triza, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back and thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. In this video, I will be showing you how we make fufu or pounded yam here in Lomé, Togo. I hope you'll enjoy watching this video. Watch till the very end and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. There are different types of yams. Some yams are used to make fufu, like the ones you see here. These are used to make fufu, the pounded yam. And the other ones are used to make fried yam, like you cut them like chips and fry them. The cost of the yams vary depending on the size you want. The ones which are here close to the camera are going for 2,800. The next ones, they are being sold for 3,000, and the ones at the far end are 4,000 safer. So finally, the lady sold them to us at 2,500. We are now back home and we are going to peel the yam. Of course, different people have different styles of peeling the yam, and this is how my cousin does it. She's the one who will be helping us, or she'll be the one showing us how to cook the fufu today. She's a professional at this, and also the knife she's using is very sharp. After peeling the yams, we cleaned them well and put them inside this pot and added some water. We will now let it cook until it is completely ready. This is how the yam looks after we have boiled it, and we have only used 1.5. The next step is to pound the fufu, or to mix it using this fufu mix. This is what we are going to use today, but there are other people who usually use the pestle and the mortar. So this is how we are going to do it today with this machine. that's the process of making fufu, or that's how we do it in our house. You can serve it with this delicious peanut stew we made. If you have not watched this video, I will link it in the description box below. Go check this video out. The soup or the stew was so delicious. If you've not watched that video, please go check it out. You can also serve fufu with this beef stew. This is just beef broth. After we have boiled the meat, we added tomato and pepper, and it's just so easy to make, or whichever stew you prefer. Yes, that's it guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Until the next one guys, bye.